Hello everyone. Today we solve the LeetCode question number 1299, which is replace elements with greatest element on the right side. So basically in this question, we have to give an array, replace every element in the array with the greatest element among the elements to its right side, and replace the last element with -1. And then after we return the vector for the array. So let's take an example. Here example 1, ARR equals to 17, 18, 5, 4, 6, and 1. So first of all, in the first index, we show the right side, all the right side's element and find the maximum. So here 18 is the maximum. So in the first index, as in the zeroth index, we put 18. Then after we move to the second index, so in second index, the element is 18, and we find the maximum element of the right side. So the next element is 6. So here we put 6 and so on. And in the last index, we have to return -1 because the last element is 1 and there are no next element after right side of the element. So every time in the last index, we return -1. So basically to solve this question, we need to run the two for loop. So its time complexity is the order of n square. So now let's try to solve this question. So first of all, we run for loop when I is equals to 0 to I less than ARR both sides and I plus. Inside this, we declare a maximum variable which is equal to -1 because we need the last index is equals to -1. So we take into max equal to -1. Then after we run second for loop inside the first for loop into j is equal to I plus 1 to j less than ARR dot size and j plus 4. Inside this, we put the condition that if ARR of j is greater than our max element, so our new max element is becomes ARR of j, and outside the for loop, we write ARR of j is equal to max because our first index, for example, our zeroth index is equals to our maximum element. Please. And at last, we return ARR of error. So now let's try to run this. So here we see that our two test cases are passed. Now we try to submit this. Here our solution is accepted.